this is how far I have gotten. And I want to get some pink elastic to be able to hold it up. So there's a couple more things that I wanted, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys. This is what it's looking like. I don't have the elastic that I want to put it up here, so I just wanted to kind of give you guys a idea of so far what it looks like. So I still need more stones, but this is what I came up with already. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, this is some more of the materials that I picked up because I'm actually going to try again to make that Carnival bra and actually make it again, and hopefully it will fit. But this I picked up from Menard. This is a 16 gauge wire. So they got it at Michael's and different stuff like that, but for what you will pay, you're going to get very little. You might as well go to Menards or Home Depot and get it. And they even got it in 100 the gauge was much thicker. I was finna get that, but then it was harder to flex it and bend it, because if you see the 16 gauge is more flexible and able to bend. And this is the felt that I'm going to cover it, and this is the pink fabric that's going to go on the outside, and of course whatever stones or whatever you guys want to use. So I'm going to do that attempt again. But all this came from Home Depot, and the rest came from Hobby Lobby because they had a sale today. So I went and was getting the stuff from Hobby Lobby. So this is what the felt looked like, and they had these square pieces. So this is what you'll cover the triangle bra shaped pieces with. So okay guys, wish me luck. Bye. Okay guys, so far this is what I got. So this is the actual wire frame. You guys can see kind of what it looks like. So now the hardest part is creating these pieces, and you got to put them on there and put them on there correctly where you can be able to cover up your nipples. So that's the next part that I'm doing. I see why a lot of the girls just pick the option to just buy the frame, because the wire costs you $6, $7, $8, right? So I see why they be just picking to buy it, because just flexing it and making it work is it's kind of hard. So now I'm trying to put this piece on there, and then you got to put the tape and everything. So once you get turn around, once you get, you gotta put it in the place that you want it, and then you gotta tape it. It's a lot of work to make it stay. I'm telling you, it's not easy when you're doing these Carnival bras. So yeah, I think that, you know what I think that I should have got? Y'all know them, that furry stuff that has like that hairy stuff on it? I think I should have got that. And the reason why I say that is because you could take that and bend it and flex it and wrap it around here to make it a little bit more. Yeah, that's what I should have got. But I didn't. So It takes some getting used to, I tell you. Because then I got to go and get some tape and kind of tape it in place. Let's see if you guys can see. Things keep moving, so you got to even this out. So the shape. So it's a challenge, guys. So when they do it on YouTube, I wonder if they've been and did a couple of them before they go live. Okay, so now once I get these parts on, I'm finna get out my tape and kind of where I want these to be. And then, like I say, you're flexing this, guys. Kind of how I want these to be. And then I'm a tape. So it's quite a challenge. So let me try to tape these things down and I'll come back. Hey guys, this is where I'm at so far. That's why I tell you guys, when the younger generation and when them girls be doing them videos, I'm telling you, y'all do y'all thing. I thought, like, you know, when you look at a lot of stuff online, you be thinking it's going to be easy. This was not easy at all. And you guys can see as I'm wrapping the fabric around, the wire be losing its shape. So it's not an easy task to do at all. So now I gotta see what it's like a finger long, let's say. Finger long. Okay, now it's time to put this part back on. But like I said, I give it to you girls. Y'all do amazing videos. So now I'm going to put this part back on and start wrapping it. You guys really are amazing with y'all videos. I'm talking about really amazing. So I'm just trying to get it done. So yeah, but y'all do amazing videos. So that's why a lot of times when I'm just trying out something and I'm not confident about it, y'all will see a finished project, because I will say, look, it's getting caught in my sweater. I would say it's hard to do something you ain't never did before and go live and you don't know what the outcome is going to be. So that's why I be trying to do it to make sure I got the confidence that I can do it. And then after you do something a couple times, you can get better with it. So now what I'm just trying to do is I'm trying to get the wire. Uh-oh, what am I doing? Okay, it's gonna go out that way. Okay, I'm trying to get the wire go that way. I'm trying to get the wire to I'm trying to get the wire to go outward that way. So already I feel like I'm making a lot of error. I'll be have to fix it up, and I don't want to run out of space. So I'm gonna try to finish wrapping this, but all I'm trying to do is even it up and wrap. And I'm trying to get the wire on there so I can stop the wire from moving, guys. So let me wrap this and then I'm going to show y'all what I'm talking about. I feel like I'm going different ways. Wait, which way is the bra going? Okay. See? Okay. So what I'm trying to do is get the what I'm trying to do is get the bra, see the shape. So that's what I'm trying to do, guys. So all right. Okay, guys, I was successful with making the frame, but the only thing I realized is that I picked the fabric that frayed, so not good. So I'm going to have to wind up going back and finding another fabric. So if you see, guys, this is kind of how it would go. Your boobs is going to go in there. Your boobs going to go in there. So you bend the wire, shape it. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the felt on here so that, you know, when I do glue the stones on. And then this time, guys, to make it lay down, I'm actually going to take, it's going in my sweater. I'm actually going to take what's the name? I'm gonna make some hooks on it so it can tie down in the back. So this is what I got so far. So now I'm going to take the felt and put the felt on there, and then you can be putting the stones on there. So let's see. Let me cut out the felt part. Come on. So I'm going to cut it bigger. Cut it actual bigger so that I can get it on there. So I can see from this side. This side. Okay, so if you can see, so now, where's the top? Okay, that's the top. Okay, so now I'm going to glue that part down. And this be the part you start putting the stones on. So let me do it this way to make it easier from the top. So I'm going to put the glue on and then press the thing down in there. Okay, that's the top. So okay, so now I'm going to press the felt down over there. So that's what's going to make it where you're able to glue the stones on. But you want to make it tight. And then we're going to also cover this with our cover material. So I got to change my glue stick. But kind of just giving you guys an idea. See how you cover it with the felt? So I'm covering it with the felt to give it more structure. Now I got to put some more glue in my glue gun, but I'm going to cover it all around. And then I'm going to cover the next one all around. And that's how you're able to put your stones and stuff on. So it's a process, guys. So, alrighty then. Talk to you guys later. But just giving you guys an idea. So you're starting to cover it with the felt now. So it's a lot of processes. Alright.